Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another video. I haven't been filming lately, like 2 weeks now. I haven't posted any video. Yes, I know that's because I'm working. Plus you people are not subscribing to my channel, you don't like my videos, you don't comment on my videos. Yes, I know you are spending your data towards these videos and all that, but please just subscribe to my channel, click on my videos, like them, comment. I reply on all comments. I tell you what I know, and everything I don't know, I don't just tell you what I don't know. I only tell you the only thing I know, and I'm very sure if you follow everything I tell you in all my videos, you won't even have issue when using any of the skincare products. So please go to my subscribe button and click on the subscribe button, like something red showing on the screen right now. Go and click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and help me move. Like, my subscriber has been stuck on 563 for quite some times now, and I wonder, I'm seeing viewers but they are not subscribing, and I won't lie, it's very sad. Like, it's not encouraging. Like, a lot goes into content creating and all that. I love doing this thing, but I also need you people to support me to just feel motivated and encouraged to do this. Like, thank you so much as you listen to my rants and subscribe to my channel. So yes, today, let's start. Are you feeling the skin? Like, is the skin okay? Is it giving? Yes, that's what I want to talk about today. My current lotion, and yes, how to just use it and not have issues with it. So if you're interested, which lotion am I talking about? Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and this is the first time of coming and seeing this face. You are welcome. So yeah, it's another weekend, and I'm going to be talking about my lotion, the one I've been using quite sometimes now, and how it works for me. So which lotion am I talking about? I'm talking about the Whitish white lotion. I've talked about the part one of this lotion. I've talked about where I started using this lotion in one of my videos recently. I showed you the lotion. That's why you should always follow all my video, like bumper to bumper, like binge on my video, binge watch them, like you'll find them helpful. So yes, I'm going to be talking about this lotion. Now, this is not what I read, this is not what I heard, this is not what I saw on their page and all that. This is just my own personal experience, how I use this, how it works for me, and that you get. So this is from me straight to you. No people said, no I saw, no I've seen, no, this is from me. So the number one thing I noticed about the Whitish white lotion is it's really white so fast, and if you're not careful, you go white faster in a short period of time. Like, I don't even use it that much. Like, I still have a lot of it, because by the time I finish premixing it, I add more than 350 ml, because I premixed mine. So with the lotions and the tube I use in premixing it, so I add more than 350 ml. I have to share it inside the Whitish white bottle and another bottle. So I'm still using the other bottle I shared it into. I've not even used the Whitish white bottle, and it's been working so nice, like so fast. So it whitens really fast and fast. So number two here is that it contains safe whitening ingredients such as kojic acid, citric acid, and glutathione. All these three ingredients I just mentioned, they are safe products that you can use. You can even read about them. I've talked about them a lot, so I won't really want to bore you about it. So if you don't know about citric, kojic, and glutathione, go ahead and read about them. They are safe lightening ingredients that can help lighten your skin without giving you skin reactions, you get. So it contains safe products. So when using it, yes, it should be kind of like you are not packing hydroquinone into your skin. It is hydroquinone free. So yeah, the next on my list right here is that this serum can be used to premix dark spots face cream and blemishes face cream, which is true, because it's written on the bottle of the serum that you can use it in premixing your face cream. That means the formulator already know what she's saying. First thing, you can use it to premix your face cream, but you have to use it in little quantity because it is very potent. So a little goes a long way. So yes, that there. The next one here, it is a universal corrector. That is to say, if you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation on your body, yes, not everybody wants to lighten. Yes, that's right. Like, not everybody wants to, is like, how will I call this, want this white lightening kind of you see the way I went blank here. So not everybody wants to lighten. Some people just want to glow their skin. Some people have two tone of skin, like some part is lighter, some part is darker, so they just want it to rhyme and they want even tone skin. So yes, it is a universal corrector. It helps correct the skin and give you a single skin tone. And if you have bites like dark spots from mosquito bites, hyperpigmentation from anything sun or too much kneeling. You know, when you kneel too much, your knee tends to get darker than the rest of your body, and the skin around your knee will be hard, like when you are doing too much kneeling. So it is a universal corrector that there. So the next one I wrote down, this is my own list, I wrote down is can be used alone during daytime and when you're not going out with SPF. Let me repeat that. Can be used alone during daytime when not going out with SPF. So when using this lotion, you can use it during daytime. Yes, it is safe, but you must use it with SPF, and you must know that okay, today I'm not doing anything that will require me to go into the sun and walk around the sun. You know, you already know on days that going into the sun and all that, you know. So on days like that, you don't use it, you get. So when you're indoor, like right now, you can use it and use it with your SPF. You can use your SPF on your face, on your arms, area that will be exposed to the sun, your legs, you get. You can use SPF. And when using this lotion, I don't see any reason why you should be using a lightening lotion and not use SPF, which is like buy SPF with your lotion even if it's not lightening. So yes, let's move on. The next on my list here is that it serves as a treatment cream also. Yes, it is the same thing as a universal corrector. Yes, it serves as a treatment cream. If you have body acne, if you have all these body blemishes, it helps clear it. So I've talked about that, so let's move on. So the next one here is that it might give you white dots on your face, though it is not common, but it might give you white dots. So make sure you buy anti-reaction when using it. And the next one here is that once the skin is clear and bright, minimize the usage to 2 to 3 times in a week. You get what I'm trying to say? Don't overuse it so you won't give yourself skin burn. And this the serum is fast for dark areas treatment. When premixing it, premix with the serum and don't premix too much so you won't burn your skin, so it should not be too harsh. And then use with a mild soap, like use with a mild soap, and if you want it to work really fast, use with scrub. So that's why I decided to tell you in today's video. I don't want this video to be so long because yeah, this is the first video I'm putting out after 2 weeks. So yeah, this is what I noticed about the Whitish lotion, and I'm still on it, I'm still using it. I've told you that's tendency of giving you white spots. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any question about the lotion, let me know. This lotion is available for sale. I'm in Lagos State, so wherever you're in Lagos State, if you need this lotion, drop a comment in the comment section below. I'm going to reply you and let's get to business. You get. So yes, I'll see you in the very next one. Till then, take care of yourself, look good, smell nice, smell like money, like smile, like, and subscribe to my channel, because why not? We're doing right. Yeah, we are doing well here. So subscribe to my channel and help me eat my 1K subscribers and keep me motivated, keep me encouraged. Let's keep this going and keep moving. If you have anything you want to talk about, comment section, please go down in the comment section. Tell me what you want me to talk about, or what do you think I've not talked about and you've been seeing me doing, or any products you want me to talk about and you see me using, even the one I don't use. Tell me and I'll definitely do research for you and talk about it. And anything you hear on my channel, yeah, be relaxed. A lot of research has gone out into it, and I won't bring you any false information. I'll really verify before bringing you information, because I don't want anybody to come for me like, you said this is so. Yes, anything you want to talk about, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the very next one. Till then, again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye.